Hi, my name is Omer. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Castor. Castor is a decision support system for utilizing industrial 3D printing, which means that we allow manufacturers to decide whether to prefer 3D printing over traditional manufacturing methods, and by that to save a lot of time and money. This is how it works. The algorithm takes a look on a full machine BOM, bill of material, database of parts, and it gives you a report of which parts are printable, which parts are not, what are the changes needs to be done in order to make it printable, and what is the best technology that suits your part based on the system requirement. Then, as part of the business model, we also point you to the right service bureau who can print a part, including the price and the lead time. So we believe that when it comes to manufacturing, intelligence helps you modernize. Thank you.